Yo, it's your boy Alex Gambles back at it again, guys. CSGO-Skins today. We have $200 in the balance and we will try to flip it into something major. First things first, remember to use my code ALEXG if you want to get yourself 10% bonus and free 50 cents, or at least the 10% bonus. And on top of that, guys, you are automatically participating in my giveaways. They are worth over 170 bucks and I will be adding more of them soon. So 170 bucks to be won right now. With just $5 deposit, you participate in all of them. You have cool AWP, nice M4, Desert Eagle in factory new wear, and also the USP Traitor minimal wear. So as you can see, I'm not playing around, just giving you straight up fire skins, guys. So let's go to the case battles. Let's try to flip this 200 into something more. I just wanted to do a video with slightly lower balance today and see if I can flip this 200 into something more, because it seems that you guys like those challenge videos. So honestly, why not? Let me try to deliver you some more. Starting with $42 battle freeway. Let's see what we can do and let's see if someone joins. I will give it like 10 seconds. If nobody joins, then I'm gonna just add bots. It's quite early right now. Usually I record those videos in the night when I feel like being a DJ is the best but the best timing is to be a DJ at night. However, yeah, today I decided to, you know, wake up early, maybe do some content for you guys, like, you know, just a little bit different than usually. Okay, let's add bots and hopefully we can win this one, and then it would give us slightly higher budget. It would be quite easier to start going into bigger values. Okay, starting good. P250 Asimov, AK Slate, that's also good pool, honestly. We need to take into accountability that these cases are, well, not worth as much, so the skins are obviously gonna be quite cheaper. Unfortunately, bot Adrian has got nice P250 here, but we are going neck to neck. So okay, that helps. That should be like 10 bucks, 7 bucks. Okay, thought it was more, but it's not. That's not good. Okay, but Adrian still in the lead, but we have the last case on which we can win, but the X-ray is definitely not worth as much as the ice cold, unfortunately. So we need to make another battle, and this one I'm thinking let's do even smaller cases, and then we can move into some more expensive one. Let's do that one as well. Haven't opened it. Summer case is a new one. That case, maybe any new cases. I think there are a bunch of new cases. Sunken case is new, and let's do elegant at the last one. So that's 55 bucks. Let's do it freeway again. I think maybe this time I could be a little bit more lucky. I would definitely be really appreciative if I could. So yeah, let's jump into it. Let's go. Let's add some bots and let's see if I can be more lucky in this one, potentially. Okay, that's good start. Nuclear garden. No, it's not. Okay, I thought it's more. It was much more, but it comes out that I'm not that, you know, that experienced when it comes to prices of all those skins, of those lower tier skins. Yeah, I was trading back in the days, but more of high tier items, so that's why I'm not so aware. I would never have thought that this battle scared sticker would be worth 5 bucks, for example. I thought it's the cheapest drop among all of 3 of us, but yeah. Kinda surprised, not gonna lie. Yeah, at the same time, those Mach 10s are somehow worth a lot, which I would again never suspect them to be worth that much. So we need some good pulls on the last 2 cases. Is that good? No, it's not. Wow, this FAMAS is worth 40 bucks. Damn. The Deagle doesn't really matter because they had some crazy ass pulls. Okay, guys, 100 bucks left. It's not really going too well. It's not going all too well. So this challenge might be cooked unless so we can pull something through with another battle. Let's not go all in just yet. Let's do one more $53 battle, and we still have 50 bucks left in case we don't win this one. If we don't, then I think I'm gonna just go 4-way and with some low tier cases and try to hunt some good skin. But yeah, let's, you know, let's have a good scenario in our head. Let's hope that we can win this one and we don't even need to think about it. So good start. This Mark 7 is worth something as well. No, it's not. Okay, again, the Tech 9 is somehow worth $11. I'm starting to get slowly tilted, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm starting to get a little bit mad, to be fair, with the outcome of this video, because I thought I could do something with this 200, but it seems like the bot is just screwing me over again and again. Last case, can I pull through with the last case? No, I cannot, unfortunately, because they pull crazy items yet again. So we have last $50, guys. I think I might sell something from my inventory if we don't win this one, because I don't want to make the video too short. I obviously want to bring you some content. I'm also uploading daily, by the way, guys, so if you like this type of content, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, because yes, your boy is uploading daily, in fact. So I think it's quite cool. Let's do the 5% Empress as the last case, and I'm going 4-way, guys. I don't even care. Let's go 4-way. Let's go a little crazy. Let's go a little stupid here. Maybe, just maybe, the 4-way I can win. Maybe I can pull through with the AK at the last case and just you know, just steal the win to myself. We will see. Okay, decent start, but Michael has $30 M for anyone's game at this point, so I don't really care all that much. The AK definitely helps a little bit, and now we need to, yeah, we definitely need to come through with the AK. Can we? Unfortunately, we cannot, guys. You know what? I'm not gonna end it like that. That's quite pathetic, to be fair. I know challenge is a challenge, but I have $900 in my inventory, so I might as well just sell this, and we have another $200. I know maybe it's kind of cheating, but you know, sometimes you have to take different measures in order to make the video good. So let's do the Beast case, let's do the Lunar case, let's do the Vaporwave case and Anarchy. And I think that will be fine enough. 1% Crimson Web at the very end, just for the memes, you feel me? Yeah, let's just do it like that. 3-way, 3-8. Let's see, let's just go all in with the 200, and maybe, just maybe, this one could be lucky and I can recoup my losses from the previous battles. If I can, then it will be golden. So let's see, starting with USP Guardian, not the best pull, obviously we don't care because there is still a bunch of cases left. AVP Chromatic Aberration doesn't really help all that much. Lunar case, you need to come clutch. No, you don't, unfortunately. Alright, Vaporwave. Can Vaporwave come with something cool? No, unfortunately not. Unfortunately not, and we still have one more case. This is fine, but he has P90 Death by Kitty, which is even better, so somehow 2% knife pull? Unfortunately, no. Damn, this video, guys, I mean, kinda rough. I'm not even gonna lie, kinda rough. We have 16,000 tokens. I'm not even gonna spend them. It's just 16,000. Yeah, kinda rough, but it is like that sometimes. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that you still enjoyed the video. Remember, use the code AlexG, participate in the giveaways, guys. $170. I'm really rewarding you. Transparent channel, as I said in my first videos, guys. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next videos.